Yeah, nice to meet you too.
My name is Brandon and I work for BoarderLabs in Cal Street Skate Shop and the Eastgate Garage based out of Vancouver. Today we're hosting a demo event with Enertion boards for their new Raptor 2.1.
Alright guys, we just got to Science World. We're a little early, so nobody's here yet. Hopefully there's a few people that come. Hey. Yo,
Hey.
Brian.
Walter, nice to meet you.
Who wants to go first? You, sir? Sure. The remote's pretty simple. Basically just to accelerate us forward. Yeah. And then pull back for a brake. Okay.
Does somebody else want to try? This is a lot faster than I thought.
Like, you know, you've done like, what is it? Boosted full speed. This is like insane. It feels
This
nice.
is incredible.
It feels nice.
Yeah,
It feels great.
the acceleration is just ridiculous. I was like going slow, and then I felt myself just like leaning back, like, oh, okay.
Yeah.
This is incredible, man.
I don't know how to ride a skateboard. I can't even ride a normal skateboard.
I love the kick tile. I could just like turn around and play.
Oh, these wheels are huge. Yeah. That's the first thing I noticed.
Yeah.
I seriously don't even know how to stand on a skateboard. I'm not even kidding.
Let me try with the fog box.
Yeah, hold on. Okay, that's enough. But I can definitely tell this is a lot more dense, like when you step on it, than like regular skateboard,
Yeah, it's a lot
which feels a
sturdier.
lot nicer.
There we go. And you're powerful. Holy. It is more powerful. Like you just a little bit, you just fly. Holy. It's pretty good choice, like to go fast speed. Yeah. So I would actually choose that.
I like the fact that it's like a skateboard, an actual skateboard, not like that.
Right.
Like I'm used to the kicktail and turning quickly like that if I need to, but
It's been good so far.
Yeah. How long have you had it for?
The summer, so like
Okay.
2 months, 3 months.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah. No, it's been great, nice and smooth. Been through a couple puddles and it hasn't fried up yet, so.
Good to see you again.
Brian.
Or meet you, sorry. The same, because in North Van, the hills are all like 20 to 25% hill grade.
Okay, yeah.
And I'm constantly flying up them just the same.
Yeah.
I haven't found a hill that this thing will climb. Yeah, me neither. It blows me away. Yeah, I never would have thought you'd get that direct drive.
Me neither.
And it's like you're going like 30K up a really steep hill.
Hey guys. How you doing? Nice to meet you.
Donovan.
Cecilia.
Nice to meet you. What do you think? Jesus Christ.
It's actually pretty sweet.
It's actually pretty sweet. Yeah. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Woo. Alright. Starbucks, first stop to charge up. Alright, we're just about to head out. Going around the seawall.
This way we'll probably stop before the landscape bridge just to grab some photos and everything.
You really lucked out on coming a day like today. It's beautiful.
We just finished the ride, so I think that's it for the day. Gonna head back, maybe get some drinks. It's been a good day. Well, thank you guys all for coming down. Yeah, it was a sick ride.
Thanks for putting it together.
Yeah, all good.
Thanks a lot for all that.
Nice to meet you. Well, that's it for the event. That's Vancouver done.